Hey everyone, Aaron here. We are about 6 weeks into our Elevate KPC renovation here at Kirkland Performance Center. So many updates to share, so much progress has happened. So let's head on inside and check it out.
So as of our last update, the crew were just starting to remove the existing steel support beams above our orchestra pit to make way for the new steel structure to come in. And as you can see here, when those sparks fly up every now and then, they're busy welding in the new steel. And also on the right side of your screen, you can see those rigging line sets starting to go out. First, the large ropes, and then after that, those steel battens. Those will be replaced by the new motors, which will live up high and do all that heavy lifting for us. Once the new steel was in and inspected, it actually did away with the need for the lower support posts in the pit, so we gained a really decent amount of space down there, which will be great for when we bring in larger orchestras for musicals. So then the crew relayed plywood on top of the steel to cover that large hole in the stage. And additionally, you can't really see it from here, but since we don't need the counterweight system on the far side of the stage, we covered the arbor pit and actually gained about 18 inches of stage space on stage right, which more space, any theater person will tell you, is a really, really good thing. Then the crew built this huge scaffolding, which you can see going up on the right side of the screen there, to put in some electrical work and new LED work lights on the ceiling, which are much brighter and will last years and years and provide a really great and safe work environment. Then we loaded in the 37 motors that will power our new rigging system. Each motor is several hundred pounds, and we basically filled our backstage dressing rooms with these giant boxes as we prepped for them to go up. The crew also loaded in all the pieces of the new Harlequin floor and leveled the concrete on the stage to within 1/8 of an inch all the way around in preparation for the new floor. Now let me tell you about this stage floor. This is called the Harlequin Liberty Switch System, and it is a stage that can change its surface tension with the touch of a button. At least 50% of our programming here at KPC involves dance, and dancers really prefer something called a sprung floor, which is basically a stage floor that has a little bit of give to it. So when you land on it, it's easier on your knees, easier on your feet. Now, usually if you wanted a sprung floor, you'd have to bring it in and put it on top of an existing floor, and it's a bunch of time and expense. But this amazing new technology allows you to switch between a rigid theatrical floor and a sprung dance floor at the touch of a button through an ingenious actuator system. This is the first one of these kinds of floors in the entire country, and KPC is so excited to be able to offer this to our amazing community. And as you saw there, all of that really cool technology has gone in, been tested, and as of the recording of this video, most of the top layer is finished and ready to go. Next up, the crew will be putting up all those big motors and working on getting the new rigging system in place. Keep following along here for more updates as we bring them to you.